St. Jude and Aidan Church in Thornton, Heath presents the Women's Mothering Sunday celebration, Sunday, March 19.
At St. Jude and Aidan in Thornton, Heath.
Thornton Road, CR7 6BA, starting with the service at 2:30 p.m. and reception thereafter. We shall have guests from the UK and other countries around Europe.
Lots of edutainment, entertainment, and different artists will be there. Come one, come all on the International Women's Day and Mothering Sunday.
Don't miss the Women and Mothering Sunday at St. Jude and Aidan Church. St. Jude and Aidan Church mu Thornton Heath ekutuusaako olunaku lw'okujaguza bamaama n'abakyala Women and Mothering Sunday celebration ku Sunday March ennaku z'omwezi nga 19 awo ku St. Jude and Aidan Church mu Thornton Heath, Thornton Road, CR7 6BA. Tujja kutandika ne service tu saawa 8:30 olw'Oluvanyuma tusembezebwa ku kijjulo okunaabeera abagenyi ab'enjawulo okuva mu UK mwonna n'ensi za Europe ezitwetoolodde. Suubira okusanyusibwa okw'enjawulo ebyokunywa n'ebyokulya. Tosuba olunaku lw'abakyala ne bamaama Women and Mothering Sunday celebration ku Sunday March ennaku z'omwezi nga 19 awo ku St. Jude and Aidan Church mu Thornton Heath, Thornton Road, CR7 6BA.